What's going on, YouTube? I just got done painting the 1972 Chevelle. It just was in a bad car accident. This whole quarter was crushed on the side. So, just got done painting it, putting a new quarter on, blending it. It also needed a new wheelhouse, inner wheelhouse put back in, so did all that, undercoated it, but did that, blended up there on the roof, had to blend over here on the stripes and whatnot. Just got done pulling the tape off. I said we cleared the quarter, the roof, the other quarter, the trunk. So this quarter just got done getting sprayed. This door and this fender didn't get sprayed. Still in pretty good shape still. I also sprayed the I said we blended on this door. Didn't spray this fender. This fender was good still. But we ended up spraying the hood. It had a little nick in it from the hood pins. Turns out he ain't had the gaskets on them, so whenever the pins would move a little bit, they were scratching the paint. So he got a new pair. Gonna raise it up higher. So paint matches pretty good. Like I said, got it all fresh. Let it sit out and bake for a little bit, for another day or two. And then turn around and wet sand buff. And the rear end also needs to be changed when it got wrecked. Whole rear end, either the axle or the rear end tube got twisted. Can't really tell now, but once it drives, it wobbles real bad in the back, so. Waiting on quick performance on that one to send us the middle section for the rear end, so the 9-inch Ford can go in here and it'll be done. I usually don't get this car on film a lot. It's you know, it's one of my personal friends. It's one of their, you know, dream cars. So when it got in an accident, it was go, go, go to get it back together. So I usually get it, you know, after stages when it's done. We also had to do the valance, clear both of the tail light marker pieces, what you call it. But like I said, I'm pretty happy putting this quarter on. Came on pretty good. Door's not shut all the way. I'm still letting the inside dry off a little bit, so. But just thought I'd give y'all a little update.